Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree Valentine DIY decor. So let's get into it right this minute. So I decided to use one of these wooden hearts from Dollar Tree. It's in the Valentine section. I'm using the dark walnut stain by Minwax. Once that was dry, I decided to use these little Scrabble letters and spell out love and just put it right in the center of the heart. Now I think I got these Scrabble letters at Dollar Tree a long time ago, maybe Temu. If not, you can just pick them up at any craft store that is near you. I decided to go ahead and use another one of these hearts. I painted a bunch of different colors, but I really only liked the red one and how it turned out. I'm using a Chalk Couture Silkscreen transfer, and I'll link it down below for you guys, but I love the way this one turned out. I'm really looking to just add some more DIYs to my tier trays, so that is what I did with that. This next one, I grabbed this envelope from Dollar Tree, and this Follow Your Heart paper heart was already falling out when I purchased it, but I knew I was going to rip it out anyway, so it didn't really matter. I'm using a Chalk Couture Silkscreen transfer. Once again, it has a 14 with the heart. Obviously, Valentine's Day is on February 14th, so it just makes sense to use this. And then I decided to just add a bunch of hearts to the top of the envelope, so it looks like someone got some sort of, I don't know, love letter or just like a bunch of hearts flying out. I don't know. I just wanted to just amp this up. The envelope was already cute as is, so I didn't really want to paint it and redo the entire thing. So I thought this would just make it pop and stand out just a little bit more. DIY, I grabbed this little mug and I am just painting the inside of it with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson. I usually always use this color for Christmas and for Valentine's, so it's always necessary to have red on hand, although it's kind of, I only use it for 2 different holidays. So once that was done, it kind of looks like this. I decided to make some faux toppers for these. I did a few for Christmas and I absolutely loved making them. I'm using this caulk and this little, it's like some sort of decorating tool. I can't think of off the top of my head exactly what it is, but so before I got into that, I just traced out the tops with some cardboard, and these wooden blocks is kind of what I had on hand versus some foam, which you can kind of use whatever to up your faux whipped cream game. These worked just fine for me, so if you don't have foam, find something that is just going to make it just kind of stand out just a little bit. But I love using the little cake decorating tools on the ends of the caulk. It just seems to work so much better. I just kind of use a little bit of hot glue and add the tip to the caulk, and it works perfect. These Valentine sprinkles and the slime charms, these are both from Amazon. I didn't really know they were slime charms until after I bought them, but they work out perfect if you're making some faux treats. This next mug, I found this at Dollar Tree as well, and I don't know if these are only around Christmas time because this was the last one that I found. I grabbed that pink paint. It is from Dollar Tree. I will probably never buy Dollar Tree paint ever again. I kind of thought it would be just fine, but I just don't like it at all. I'm using this Arteza. It is fabric 3D paint. I totally forgot I have a ton of different colors in this, and you're going to be seeing me use it a lot. I decided to top these off with some felt stickers on the fronts of the mugs, and you could add whatever you wanted, a fun decal from Cricut. I just kept it simple since I'm just trying to use as many Dollar Tree items as I can. And this is what they look like when they are all put together. I did have a little bit of caulk, so you're gonna see me make a small little cupcake. And I did end up trimming around the bottom because I did realize that you could see some of the cardboard, so I figured it kind of needed to be trimmed off just a little bit more. And this is what this one looks like. Like I said, you can see the cardboard just a little bit, but you know what? I think they turned out adorable, so it didn't really matter if I wanted to change them up or not. So for this one, I decided to make a cupcake because I had some caulk left and I had this foam I just kind of tossed in to like kind of as a filler. And I ended up not having, I don't know why my voice keeps going in and out. Oh my goodness. I didn't end up not having a ton of caulk like I thought I did, but we kind of made it work. There's a little bit of, holes and things, but I don't live anywhere close by where I could have just ran to Dollar Tree real quick or ran to a store and grabbed some caulk. So this would definitely have to do, but overall I think these are adorable for a tier tray, of course. Like, it doesn't have to be a tier tray. If you're not a tier tray lover like I am, then that is completely okay. Add them to your windowsill, add them to a shelf, but I love that 3D fabric paint on top of them. I think it is adorable. All right, so this is not Dollar Tree, but honestly, like, it's cheaper than Dollar Tree. I found these faux marshmallows, and they were from Hobby Lobby months and months and months ago, I think around fall time, and I have a ton because you get 200. So I'm just adding some fabric paint to the top and kind of pounding the bottom just to make a fun little drip. I did these for Christmas. I did these for the fall time. I probably will do them for every single holiday because they are so cute and fun to make. And then I decided to add the faux sprinkles from Amazon. I only picked up one pack. So you're going to see the same sprinkle, but I feel like if you're going to spend $7 on fake sprinkles, you might as well use them to their fullest. I added some ribbon around the bottom, tied them together, and I love these. We're going to go in with another heart. I decided to paint this in the crimson red. I kind of skipped out on showing a lot of the painting because you guys know how that goes. And it seems like watching people paint the same thing over and over and over again, it would get kind of boring. At least it would for me. So I skipped out, opted out. You guys know how paint works. And I decided to add these foam roses to the top of this. I picked up the foam roses last year and I just wanted to use them for something. If I had them last year and I don't use them this year, I probably never will. So I decided to add them to the top along with this little wooden heart. And this is how it turned out. I think this one is the cutest. And even if you decide to add the foam roses to one side, I still think that looked really cute as well. So the Dollar Tree Plus section does get me from time to time when it comes to some of their wooden signs. This one was $5. I decided to go ahead and paint it white, and I'm using a silkscreen transfer from Chalkateur. I forgot that I ruined this one last year and I tried to save it. Totally forgot until I pulled this off and realized that the bottom was ruined completely. So I did kind of touch it up and fix it, but sometimes I don't take care of my things like I should. I will admit that to the fullest. I found some greenery from Walmart after Christmas. I decided to add a white rose and just kind of make this simple. I feel like I should have added a little bit more color. I don't know. What do you guys think? But you guys, that is it. Some quick, easy DIYs. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.